Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Walmart. So let me take you to the website, which is walmart.com. Now, who doesn't know about Walmart? Walmart is a multinational retail corporation and one of the world's largest and most well-known retail chains. They operate a chain of hypermarkets, discount department stores, and grocery stores. Walmart has a significant presence in the United States and operates thousands of stores across the country. It also has a substantial international presence with operation in various countries around the world. So you can come to the website, explore all the amazing products, and buy for yourself if you like. But how about earning money from them? Can you earn that? Of course you can. You can simply join the affiliate program of Walmart and start promoting them to your audience or to your traffic. And when you bring sales to Walmart, you will start getting commission from them. So who can join the affiliate program of Walmart? Doesn't matter from wherever you are, from whatever country you are. I did not see any restrictions about country when it comes to applying to the affiliate program. So you can definitely go ahead and apply to the affiliate program. So let's talk more about the affiliate program. For that, you can come to this web page, which is affiliates.walmart.com. I'm going to mention the link in the video description as well. You can click on the link and come to this web page. Over here, you would be able to see some details about the affiliate program. Not much, but you can click on this FAQs, which will take you to the FAQ page. Here, you would be able to see the frequently asked questions and the answers. You can read it to have the better understanding about the affiliate program. And at the end, you will also see who can I contact for more information. So any question that you have and that is not covered in this page or through this video that you are watching, you can reach out to them at this email address and ask about it and expect to get a response from them. So the question is, how do you join the affiliate program? For that, let me take you to Impact, or rather Impact Radius. The website is impact.com. Now, why Impact and what is Impact? Impact is one of the top digital marketing companies out there. And now, what is a digital marketing company? Digital marketing company, it's a company that provides digital services, including affiliate marketing. So Impact also provide affiliate marketing services. And then why are we talking about affiliate marketing services? So when it comes to joining the brands out there, affiliates have to join the respective affiliate network as well. So in our case, in order to join the affiliate program of Walmart, we have to join Impact as an affiliate. So how do you join Impact as an affiliate? For that, you can click on request a demo. But just one thing to keep in mind, on Impact platform, they call affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused. When you click on request a demo, it will take you to this page. Over here on the right hand side, you would see for creators, influencers, and publishers, you can click on sign up as a partner. When you do, it will take you through the registration process. You can register yourself to be an affiliate on Impact platform. Now, I understand there could be many things that you have to keep in mind while you create an account with impact.com. So don't worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with impact.com. You will find the link in the video description. Click on the link and watch the video to get yourself an affiliate account with impact.com. Let's say you already have an account with them, an affiliate account, or you ended up getting. In that case, you can come to the website again, click on sign in, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can enter your username and password combination, followed by click on sign in, which will take you to something called Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, but as the purpose of the video is Walmart affiliate program, we will only be talking about them. So to find the affiliate program, you can click on brands and you can click on find brands, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on all brands, and then where you see name, ID, and keyword, you can search for Walmart. Just type in Walmart, followed by an enter on your keyboard, and then you will see this Walmart affiliate program. Don't just click on apply because you want to see more information. So just click on the tile for Walmart, which will open this pop-up where you will be able to see the details about the affiliate program. The first thing you might observe is your commission rate. So you see online sell, you can get anywhere between 1% to 4% commission rate. And if you promote a Walmart business account, then you could get $2 per order. So that's what you may get. And if you look at the left-hand side, you will see more information, but that's not enough. What if you click on view terms? Then you even get more information. So when you click on it, it will take you to this page. Over here, you will see the bifurcation of the commission rate. So 4% for the entire sale amount, except for these things. So you click on these things, you get the idea of which product they provide 0%, and on which product they provide only 3 or 1%. But what is not covered in these lists, for those products, you will get 4% commission. And if you scroll down, you will see the scheduling as well. So they have something called action locking. That means actions are locked 2 months after end of the month that they are tracked. Take an example here. If you brought sales to Walmart through your efforts, that means you brought consumers to Walmart and they made the purchase in the month of August. So you have to wait until the end of October for those transactions to get locked. And then after that, on the third day, Impact will invoice to Walmart, and then 30 days from the lock period, you can expect the payment of it. So that means all the transactions that you will bring in the month of August, you can wait for September and October for the locking period during this time, because cancellations can happen, isn't it? So that's why they have 2 months of locking period. And then after 1 month of that, that means September, October, and November. So when the November would end, you can expect the payment for that commission that you have earned. And if you scroll down, you get to see more information as well. Like for the Walmart business account, $2 per order, and then the same scheduling that we saw above. And then if you scroll further down, you would be able to see more details, including the terms and conditions. So ensure you read it entirely and you understand it, because it's very important that you abide by the terms and conditions. So let's say you read it enough and you want to know more. You go back to the previous screen and you can click on details. Over here, you will see where they service. They only provide service in United States. In order to earn commission, you have to promote them to the consumers from United States only. So that's a very important thing. Then if you scroll down, you get to see that they provide mobile apps. Has mobile app tracking. So it doesn't matter if you bring the consumers, and if they end up buying the product through application, you would still get commission. Then deep linking, it's basically a way for you to create your own tracking link. Then they got product catalog, meaning the product inventory. Any product that you like, you can promote. One thing to also keep in mind here is open to influencers. So it's not ticked. That means they're not open to influencers. They only want someone with website or blog. So that's another restriction, so keep in mind. So let's say you read it all. Now you want to apply to them. How can you do that? Simply click on apply button, which will take you to this page, or rather this pop-up. You can read it and then tell Walmart about you, like why you want to work with them on this campaign. So be descriptive about you, write like how you plan to promote. It's basically a best way you can convince the brand that why you could be a good fit for them. So I have already returned for myself. I'm gonna just paste it here. In your case, you can write something good about you, your online presence. And once you've returned it, you can simply click on apply. Now, when you click on apply, you will see this message: your applications is pending review. That means your application to Walmart's affiliate program team has gone, and they will take anywhere between 2 days to 2 weeks of time to see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and will give you the approval. Approval means like you got accepted into the affiliate program. So how would you know that you got accepted? You will receive an email at your registered email address. And not only that, you would be able to find, once you get approved from them, you will be able to find them in the section, My Brand section. So you can click on brands, click on My Brands, which will take you to this page. Over here, you would be able to see them as approved. For me, it's AppSumo and SEMrush that I got approved for. If I would have gotten the approval from Walmart, I would have seen here. In your case, if you would get approval from Walmart, you would see them here as well. Okay, you got the approval. Now what? You can go ahead and promote them. But to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to, you can take the link, it's fine, but you have to turn that link into a tracking link. Because if you just try to promote them using normal link, it will not track commission for you. So any product that you like from the website, you can take the link and you can come to the homepage of Impact. And once you're here, look at the right hand side, it says create a link. So once you have gotten the approval from Walmart, you would see them listed in here. Since I got the approval from these two brands, I see them listed here. But in your case, when you get the approval, you'll see Walmart in here. Click Walmart, put the link that you have taken from their website, the link for any product of theirs, and click on create. This will create a tracking link for you. Now that link will be unique to you, and using that you could start promoting Walmart to the consumers from United States of America. Okay, great. So this is how you can take the link, or rather you can create the link. But is there a way that you can take the link rather than creating? Like, do they have any available resources for you? Of course they have. Once you get the approval from them, you can click on content and you can go to assets and promo codes to get the already available links. It could be panel links, it could be product links. So you can explore these sections and get the link for Walmart. But you will only be able to find the links in there once you get the approval from them. Okay, so you got the link, and the question is, how can you promote them, or where can you promote them? There are many ways you can promote them, but still I'm going to cover a few. So one is website. Doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, you can just put the advertisement anywhere on your website, like whatever. You'll find thousands of products on the Walmart website. Whatever product that suits your website, take that product and put the advertisement of that product anywhere on your website, which is more suited for your consumer. So that's one of the best way. Second way is blog. And I think blog would be better, because just pick any amazing product from Walmart website, write a blog post about it, and at the end of the blog post, just mention that if you're interested in this product, here's a link, and then put your tracking link over there. So this way, when consumers would click on that link, would make the purchase, guess what? You'll end up getting the commission. And the third way, which I think would be better, is a shopping website. So you could, let's say, if you got a shopping website, then people would come to your website to shop, isn't it? So putting Walmart product links over there would be better. You might even want to create a small sections of Walmart on your website. And when someone would click on that section, they get to see different products of Walmart. That could be amazing as well. So these are the ways you could promote them. But as I say, it's not just limited to that. There are many ways you can find you could promote them. But whenever you promote, ensure you have given the information of these online presence when you created an account with impact. It's very important, because when you apply to the brand through impact, they get to see all the information that you have given while creating an affiliate account with impact.com. So ensure wherever you plan to promote them, you must have given that information on impact platform when you were registering with them as an affiliate. Okay, so you started promoting them and you started generating sales for them. Where would you see your performance, or where would you see your commission? For that, you can come to the dashboard again, the publish dashboard, click on reports and run all these reports to see your performance, which could include clicks, sales, and commissions. Now, how about the payment for it? How will you receive the payment for all the commission that's being generated? So all the commission that will get generated will get accumulated in your Impact affiliate account, and then will be paid by Walmart to Impact, and Impact will issue that commission to you. So ensure your payment information is up to date on Impact platform. For that, you can click on these three dots on the bottom left hand side, and you can click on settings. When you do that, it will take you to this page. Over here, you can scroll down till the finance section and click on bank account, and then set up your banking information to receive the payments via electronic fund transfer. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Walmart, start promoting them, start bringing sales to them, and start generating commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in applying to the affiliate program of Walmart and getting approval. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.